Alright, y'all, welcome back. So this is gonna be a quick video. So my aunt gave me this wig, y'all, like long time ago. It's probably been a year now. So I just finally decided to see what I can do with it. You know what I'm saying? Cause okay, I don't wear short hair, but I've been really thinking about cutting my hair. Cause girl, it just has a lot going on. So I'm gonna bobby pin it down, and then we're gonna see what we can do with it. Y'all, this is my second video in one day. Can y'all believe it? Listen, if you a mom and you YouTube, you know it'd be hard. It'd be hard to get a video in. That's what we got now, y'all. Look how I'm looking. My aunt gave me this wig, y'all. She said, see what you can do with it. But really, she probably gonna end up getting it back when she see whatever I decide to do with it. So, alright, so this how we looking. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and send it off the top because I can already see, girl, these sides is just too thick for me. It's too thick for me. I cannot do it. Look at that. So I got my little razor and I'm just gonna, and they kind of long too. Now, I don't know nothing about short hair. I do long hair. So we're just gonna see what I can do to this. See, it's already looking how I need it to look. I told y'all this is gonna be a quick video because I just got tired of sleep. But it's already looking too thick, so I'm gonna do the quickest way to thin out some hair. Y'all, this is a really quick method on thinning out hair. I've used this method several times. You just part it like that with my scissors and just cut out the hair. Because you don't want it bulky at the top. That's just not what we want. But you want to make sure you cut it out to where you can cover it like that right there. You feel me? Alright, so up here it's giving me bulk vibes. Bulk vibes is when it's just bulky. This makeup look good on me, y'all. This makeup is really what's making this wig look better. Cut this around my ear because I don't like the way it's doing. So I'm just gonna take my razor and cut it. Yeah, I think this is in there. I honestly do. Okay. Alright, y'all. Ooh. It's giving me spiky vibes around the face area. Y'all know what? I got some light body. I should have just mowed it down. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I think I am gonna mold this down. I don't like it right here. I don't like it right here. you can still see that little hump. And a little hump right there. Alright, so I like that it's going this way. I really like that. Thought I heard guy. Okay. Okay. Burgundy. Alright. Okay. What is this called? I think it's called like a chili bowl. It's still very lumpy in the top and I don't like that. Okay. Okay, sis. Ooh, I'm gonna have to cover that up because I did cut a little bit. So. Alright, so I'm gonna spray some spray on the top to get that to lay flat, and then I'll be back, okay? I'm gonna use this Lotta Body. Just spray some over the top. But I'm gonna tie this down and then I'll be back. Alright, so I'm gonna take this scarf off and see how this looks. Y'all hear some noise, kite in the background. Alright, so it laid down a little nice. Girls with short hair, they always take pictures like this. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I don't know if I like this on myself. It's cute though, like this is giving me spicy mom vibes. Like, what was I gonna do? I'll show y'all a bit. Let me know. It might still be giving grandma vibes in the back. I don't know. Put that little kitchen up right there. Ooh. Girl. Oh, that's. Wait, that's my hair. I don't know how it looks in the back, but baby, the front is on. Oh. Ooh. Ooh, girl. Girl. Okay. I like this. I like it like this. That piece just stay where it needs to be. Maybe it ain't meant to stay right there. Who knows? Okay. What y'all think? Like, girl, let me pull this camera up because I feel like it's just not doing me justice. What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? What y'all think? Okay, I think it's cute though. I think it's cute. I really think it's cute. I might need a razor somewhere out of the bag, but I can't see the bag, so I'm gonna leave it alone. And like when I give it back to my aunt, like I can see the back of her head better. I mean, cause I'll probably trim it somewhere on her. Or you can just, if you want to just swoop it all to one side, you can do that. Ooh. Ooh. If you wanna, okay. Okay. So y'all let me know which style y'all like best. Do y'all like it when it was all combed down in my, Okay, this is my least favorite. Do y'all all for this video? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this one. I tried to shake it a little bit, but to see more videos like this one, I will talk to y'all later. Peace.